Hi there, welcome to the practical workshop looking at material unit rates, specifically looking at bricks today. So collected all my information about bricks that I know so far. I've then got to think about how to break it down into common units for costing. Now, if you look at this equation here, I've got pounds per metre squared. That's my end game. The reason I've got metre squared is because if I look at my new rules of measurements, it does say that we measure in metres squared. So when I'm going to my bill of quantities and do my final cost, my cost will be pounds per metre squared. So how do I work that out? Well, actually, if I look at this equation here, as long as I know pounds per unit, which in this case could be mortar, bricks, you know, that sort of element, and then I times it by that whatever unit over metre squared. As long as I know how much per metre squared, and as long as I know how many pounds per that unit, I can actually put them together. So have a little look here. This will hopefully make sense when we pull it together. So using that formula, I've just plugged it into here. Okay, right there, top line. So for mortar, I do know it cost me £62.50 for a metre cubed tub, right? And I also know that 0.04 metre cubed gives me 1 metre square brickwork. So my common unit is therefore metres cubed, because I can then put £62.50 over metre cubed, right? And I can say it's 0.04 metre cubed per metre squared. So because I know that information, I can just plug it into that equation and there we go, done. Okay, same for bricks. When I look at bricks, if I think, right, okay, I know that 1 metre squared is 60 bricks. That's 60 bricks per metre squared. So there you go, that's that bit there, okay. And then I also know it's £450, £55 per 1,000 bricks. Can I narrow that down into pounds per brick, single brick? Well, actually, yes, I can. I just divide them together. So it's the same if it was 400 over 1, it'd be 4:1 ratio, wouldn't it? So you just do it like that. Okay, there's the calculation there. 0.455 per brick. So I've just literally written it in there. 0.455 per 1 brick times by 60 bricks per metre squared. Okay, and then what have I got? £27.30. Some of you might do this in your head. You might just go, oh, I know how that works. 0.455 times 60 straight off. But I'm just showing you the equations to make it really simple, hopefully for those that find maths a bit daunting. You just plug and play the values. As long as you know this formula up the top, you can deal with anything really. Okay, and then total is then just mortar add bricks together. There's me total. Oops. And just bear in mind that the labour information, this section here, it's not required unless you're doing an all-in rate. I'm literally costing up for materials here, so I just want to order my materials and bricks, and this is how I'm doing it. My total for mortar and bricks is this. Okay, thanks for your time. Take care.